G'day folks, and welcome back to Metal Mania 3D in the Diecast Workshop. Today we've got a Lesney build today with the 3 blind mice. It's the number 35-2 Snow Trac tractor. Came out in the red body, silver painted grille and base plate and tow hook, green windows, white rubber treads, 6 small black plastic rollers, 2 3/8, and they came out in 1964. There's 4 versions of them. You've got an A, B, C and D, and an A's says large Snow Trac decals on the side, and then the B is small Snow Trac decals on the side, and then you have the C, which is what they call the Snow Trac lettering cast into the sides, and then you've got the D version, the 32-2D is the plain version with no lettering on the sides. No decals either, just the plain one. So what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be doing the one with that has the large Snow Trac. Oh, wrong one. That has the large Snow Trac words there. The other ones are a bit smaller. I couldn't find that. I was hoping I could, but I couldn't, and I was running out of time. And then the other one is just a plain one with no lettering, which is really in bad shape. It's been painted all over the glass and everything else there, over the rollers. So needless to say, we'll get into those and let's hook into it. And we'll be back and they'll be in the nude. Right, we've got the wheels off, and we've got both of them in the stripper, as you can see. So we'll get them all cleaned up and washed up, and then they'll be back on the bench in the nude, and then we'll go from there. Okay, there I've filed all of the bad markings and everything off there from being played with, and I've filed that Snow Trac up on that side there, and also the same on the other side as well. We've done that, cleaned all that up there, and cleaned it all up there on the other side there. Because we're going to have our Snow Trac's going to be chrome. I'm not going to worry about doing it white or anything else like that there. So we'll go, alright. Righto, they're in the nude. They're all organised there, they're all cleaned up. There's the bases on the little posts there. We get them all done, we get them into primer, and we get them in the bases into silver, and the top bodies into red. Righto, there we go. The bodies are in primer. That's the one without the Snow Trac on the side. See, it's all nice and clean and crisp. I had to dig all of those little side lines, little grooves you see on the side there, which is obviously some sort of pad on the side, the grip. I don't know much about these things, so they use them in the US and places where they get a lot of snow, and that's the one with the Snow Trac on the side. Right, and then there's the bases. The bases are all done. They're all done in silver and clear now. Probably not good lighting in here to see how shiny they are, but they look nice and anything. And yeah, it's on fire there because 28 kilometres up the road from us has got snow. Alright. Right, the red's on. Starting to look pretty cool. The bases are all done now, all cleared up on the silver. And then we've also got this one, the Snow Trac on the side. I've got to do that detailing on that there. I've got to take the paint off the word Snow Trac, so it looks like it'll chrome when I clear it off. Alrighty. Okay, these are the plastics off the one that had the paint all over it, and they've been hand painted yellow and red when I went to, and then factory red, then yellow and red when I stripped it all off. But put the plastic parts, including the wheels that had all the paint on them, and also the windscreens that had all the paint on them, and put them in clear brake fluid, .4, and as you can see, I've only just put that in there like a minute ago, and it's already gone to work. It's not going to hurt the plastics, so I'll leave them in there till tomorrow morning, get them out, give them a good scrub, wheels will be fine, and I will no doubt polish the windscreen, and it'll look like new again. I'll get him all back there and into the vehicle. Righto, there we go. That one there is all finished now. You can see it's all got mirror finish on there. They're all the same too as well. Just focus up a little bit better there, yep. And then also this one here turned out really trick. There we go. Alright, so as soon as they're all dry, we'll start assembly. Okay, so here we are, we're putting them all together there. Now I've just put the wheels on the rims on this set and hammered them up and everything else there. So that one there's all done, and we're just, I nearly forgot to do this bit, and I just cleaned those wheels up there, and there's the new Tracs to go onto them there. I'm just about to do this one here. I've just set this one up here to go out and hammer the ends off. So yeah, we're getting there slowly, and it's Saturday at 11:30 when they're supposed to be up on the YouTube. Alright, we'll get into it. Alrighty, we're just about to get them together. We've got all the wheels and the tracks and everything on now. I've got one windscreen. I did order a windscreen. I've been hanging out to this last minute, and it didn't arrive because the one I actually took it, the one that had the paint on it, I was actually able to restore it. And it came up not too bad, especially that big ugly gouge out in the front there, but you can probably just see a few marks. You see all those fatigue cracks? When I got the other one out of the other one, it just crumbled. Alright, let's get them together and get them on the bench. Okay, just a bit of a recap with what we started with. These two, roughly, one of them's been pan painted. You can't even see the grill on that one there. So, and it's the two different versions, like I was mentioning at the beginning of the video there. The Snow Trac on the side and die cast, and then the other side's plain, and then there's also a couple other versions. Alrighty, so that's what they look like, and coming up right after this is what they look like now. There we go. There we go, all done. It'll come up pretty good. I was a bit disappointed that windscreen didn't turn up in time, but it still looks alright without the glass in it. I will put it in there when it eventually arrives, of course. I did order 2 windscreens because I thought the other one mightn't have restored up alright. But yeah, come up alright. That's Snow Trac's. What I did is I just used the casting there and cleaned it all up, polished it, and then obviously we painted it all up. New tracks, did all of that there, restored the windscreens, the bases and everything else. Did them all underneath as well, so you can see them underneath. Will look like new underneath everywhere. All in mint condition. Polished all the axles up. Yeah. Put the new tracks on. I'm happy with them. They come up really good. Really smick. And I got the colour right, so that was pretty happy with that. So, yeah. Alright, folks. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you could just hit that subscribe button down there for me, I would be much appreciative, and that way you won't miss out on any new ones coming out. We've got a lot more coming out. We've got 6th of February, we've got this 62 VW Beetle Apocalyptic build. And on the 14th, we've got the Hudson Hornet build, 14th of the 2nd, and then in May, but we've got a whole heap of other ones coming there in between. Alrighty, and today we'll also do the 300 subscriber giveaway video today, so stay tuned, and yeah, thanks for watching, and take care, and we'll catch us again on the next one. Bye for now. Oh, and one more thing I forgot to mention. This is the 3 Blind Mice build-off, so don't forget to go and check out 3 Blind Mice and go and check out all the other builders that participated in the Snow Trac build-off. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.